Ever found yourself juggling a dozen apps just to get through your workday? One for calls, another for messages, a third for meetings, and then a separate one for faxes you still occasionally receive. It's enough to make your head spin, right? And what if I told you there's a way to consolidate a significant chunk of that digital chaos into one powerful platform? A platform designed to streamline your communications, boost your productivity, and frankly, make your work life a whole lot easier. Welcome back to your weekly dose of RingCentral tips and tricks. If you're a regular here, you know we're all about unlocking the full potential of this incredible unified communication system. And if you're new, buckle up, because you're about to discover how to transform your daily grind. This week, we're diving deep into some game-changing features that often fly under the radar. We're going to tackle everything from mastering your call flow to optimizing your message threads, and even leveraging some of RingCentral's lesser-known but incredibly powerful integrations. Our goal today is to empower you to be a RingCentral ninja, someone who navigates their communications with precision and efficiency. Let's kick things off with a fundamental yet often overlooked aspect: call handling rules. Think of them as your personal receptionist, directing calls exactly where they need to go, when they need to go there. Many of us set up our basic forwarding and forget about it. But RingCentral offers a granular level of control that can genuinely revolutionize how you manage your incoming calls. Did you know you can set up different call handling rules based on the time of day or even the day of the week? Imagine this. During business hours, calls go directly to your desk phone and then simultaneously ring on your mobile if you don't pick up. After hours, those same calls can be routed directly to voicemail, or perhaps to a designated after-hours support line. But it gets better. You can also create rules for specific callers. Got a VIP client who always needs to reach you directly? Set up a rule so their calls bypass your regular queue and ring straight through to your personal line, no matter what. Conversely, if you have someone you need to screen, you can send their calls straight to voicemail with a custom greeting. To access this, simply log into your RingCentral online portal, navigate to Settings, then Call Handling and Forwarding. Play around with the Custom Rules section. It's incredibly powerful. This small tweak can save you countless interruptions and ensure you never miss an important call. Next up, let's talk about message management. In today's fast-paced environment, team messaging has become the backbone of internal communication. But how often do you find yourself scrolling endlessly through threads trying to find that one crucial piece of information? RingCentral Message offers a few key features that can significantly improve your messaging efficiency. First, pinning conversations. If you have a critical project or a frequently used team chat, pin it to the top of your message list. This keeps it instantly accessible, saving you valuable time searching. Just click the three dots next to the conversation name and select Pin Conversation. Simple, yet incredibly effective. Second, search functionality with filters. We all know the search bar exists, but are you truly leveraging its power? Beyond just keywords, RingCentral allows you to filter your search results by sender, date, or even by file type if you're looking for an attachment. This is a lifesaver when you need to dig up an old document or recall a specific decision made in a chat. Get comfortable with those filter options. They'll change your messaging game. And a pro tip for those who are constantly on the go: utilize the Do Not Disturb feature in Message. While it might seem obvious, many people forget to toggle it on when they need focused work time. RingCentral's D&D isn't just about muting notifications. It also subtly lets your colleagues know you're unavailable, managing expectations and fostering a more respectful communication environment. Now, let's pivot to something that can truly elevate your virtual meetings: RingCentral Video's whiteboard feature. This isn't just a digital scratchpad. It's a collaborative powerhouse. Imagine brainstorming sessions where everyone can contribute in real time, sketching out ideas, diagramming workflows, or simply jotting down notes together. The beauty of the RingCentral whiteboard is its simplicity and integration. During a meeting, simply click Share Screen and then select Whiteboard. You can choose to have a blank canvas or even upload an image or document to annotate. What makes it truly exceptional is that it's persistent. You can save your whiteboard sessions and revisit them later, ensuring that no brilliant idea or critical decision gets lost. This is invaluable for project planning, training sessions, or even just impromptu problem solving. Don't underestimate the power of visual collaboration. Moving on to a feature that often gets overlooked but can significantly enhance your customer interactions. Call queue analytics. If you're managing a sales or support team, understanding your call queues is paramount. RingCentral provides robust analytics that go beyond just knowing how many calls came in. You can dive into metrics like average wait time, abandonment rate, and even the busiest times of day. This data is gold. It allows you to make informed decisions about staffing, identify bottlenecks in your call flow, and ultimately, improve your customer service. Are customers waiting too long during lunch hours? Maybe you need to adjust your team schedule. Are certain types of calls consistently leading to long hold times? Perhaps you need to refine your IVR or provide more training. Access these insights through your RingCentral admin portal under Analytics. Regularly reviewing these reports can lead to tangible improvements in your service delivery. Finally, let's talk about integrations. RingCentral isn't just a standalone product. It's designed to seamlessly integrate with a multitude of other business applications you already use. We're talking about CRM systems like Salesforce, productivity suites like Microsoft 365 and Google Workspace, and even project management tools. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.